What's up guys, Speedsterz here. Today I'm unboxing the Traxxas Rustler VXL. Alright, so I did not buy this online. I actually bought it at a hobby shop around where we live. And I'll try to put a link in the description, but I recommend that you go to your hobby shop, see what they recommend. And I think this is one of the last ones left because it's like an older model, and this orange and blue color was like the only one in stock. So it has a TQI radio, comes with TSM, and I'll tell you what that is later. And comes with the 3S brushless ESC and the Valenian 3500 motor. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's get into this. So there's one piece of foam, and there's the truck itself. It comes with this paper over the body, but that'll come off. And it looks like it only has 2 body clips on it, but I'm pretty sure it comes with like another one or like some extra ones. You got a bag of stuff, and in the back there's some more foam and TQI radio. Here's the truck. It's supposed to have like 3 body clips in total. So it'll have 1 in the back and then 2 in the front. So that's look at this body, so shiny. I think this color looks pretty cool on it. And it does not come with the battery, so you're gonna have to buy another battery and charger. And the battery that I'm using right now is the one, this came out of the VRX Cobra, and it's a switch connector. If you haven't seen that video, that's like one of our most popular videos on the channel. Link in the description. That's one of my other RC cars. And this is the charger that I have for it. It's the Electron Pro AC/DC-10A. This is really good, but I'm not gonna tell you how it works because it doesn't really come with the truck. So, yeah. And the radio, it has TSM. TSM is Traxxas Stability Management. TSM will like stabilize it so it's easier to drive. And there's a knob on it that could you could turn TSM up, back to normal, and then like all the way off. And then there's the steering trim, and then 2 buttons on the top. I don't know what they do right now, but yeah, this is a nice controller. Alright, in this bag you have stickers. There's a bunch of Traxxas stickers and Rustler stickers, and then you have some more stickers to put on the Rustler. And you could choose numbers, and those numbers could go right here, like right there, and yeah. Also, there's a piece of foam. This is put where the battery goes, and like if you have a smaller battery, it will fill up that space. And these are like something for the shocks. Some more of that, and high-speed gearing right there, and extra body clips and screws and stuff like that, and a bag of tools, all the tools that you'll need, which is pretty cool that comes with that, and some papers telling you about the parts and the battery and charger. But I didn't get the Traxxas stuff, like the Traxxas battery or charger. And this is about the controller. It's like a manual for the controller and the normal instructions. So back to the truck. The suspension, I've heard that these shocks will break a lot and they're plastic, but this is how they do. This is the suspension, which is pretty good. It absorbs it well. And the motor is in the back right here, and it like goes in there, and it's 2-wheel drive, plastic axles and stuff. There's like not a lot of parts in the front, which will be good for crashes and stuff. And you can see like the front is kind of leaned back. I don't know why they did that, but must have been some reason. The ESC is right there. Doesn't have a fan on it, and that probably be good to buy a fan for it. And the receiver box, the servo is in there. Yeah, that's all about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive it for the first time. All right, so I got some of the stickers on the body. I'm gonna plug it in. This says that it goes 70 miles per hour on the box, but probably not able to do that out of the box. So right here, there's like another body clip to open this up, and then you could slide the battery in just like that. Shove it in there. There. And then put the body clip back in. And first, you turn on the radio. See that it's green right there. And then you plug in the battery, just like that. I think it's connected. Yeah, there we go. And there's 3 light clips. So make sure that's green, guys. I mean, like it's a LiPo battery, and that's a good thing. Go ahead. So it's really quiet right now. Fast. Okay. Whoa. That feels pretty powerful already. Already close to it. Guys, I'm not going to do a speed run because the battery that I'm having on it isn't that good. And I haven't been going full throttle at all. I'm literally going that much. This is cool. I don't notice the 2-wheel drive at all, which is pretty good. I can definitely tell the wheelies though. And it turns well. Nice and sharp. We have a mushroom over there. That was cool.
Go over the stump again.
Gosh.
First crash.
I'm very new to this Traxxas stuff. That was cool. Those wheelies. The wheelies are so funny. You ready? Look at this wheelie.
Definitely get that wheel bar.
I did do a full throttle. Okay, ready? 3, 2. This is like a full throttle launch.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
We need a wheelie
With
bar.
With enough power, that could do like a standing backflip maybe. Okay guys, I'm gonna see how hot the battery is. It's not that hot. It feels normal.
It does?
The ESC is sort of hot. The motor is sort of hot. But it's not like burning. It feels pretty cool. Cool. There's already some dirt on it. Alright guys, this is super cool. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So I really like this. It's an awesome little truck, racing truck. It doesn't have any way of cooling itself, so you're gonna have to be careful with like it overheating. So don't drive it for way too long, like if it's lasting crazy long. And yeah, that's the main reason why I didn't go very fast today, because this battery, I heard it was supposed to like heat up pretty fast. And if you're looking for a crawler, this is not the right video. It doesn't crawl very well. It's because it's two-wheel drive. You can barely make it up curves at all. But the two-wheel drive, you can barely notice it most of the time because it has TSM, the stability management, that's on the controller right here. Yeah, and yeah, I definitely recommend this. Go check this out. Hee hee!
Hoo-ha!
Speedsterz out!